Okay, so we're here in a prominent hotel, outside a prominent hotel in the centre of Brussels. This hotel had very poor mobile phone coverage inside. There's actually quite good coverage outside, and it was important for the hotel commercially and for safety reasons to improve the coverage, especially in the public areas of the hotel. And so they requested that we put in a computer system. So we have two antennas on the roof of the hotel which pick up the outdoor coverage, and we have several repeaters and line amplifiers in the hotel which distribute that good coverage to the corridors and the kitchens and the conference rooms. You can see this is where guests can stay and be on the internet, make phone calls and generally relax. So a lot of business people would spend time down here. So we'll do a speed test here. It's 3G Bell Proximus. It's important commercially for the hotel to have good coverage here. If they don't, they get complaints, and for example, people who want to look for conferences here won't do so. So this is why they request our computer system to be put in. So here we are in the corridor at the cabinet where the repeaters are installed. So if we open the door here, so you can see there are 3 repeaters here. And these are connected to the 2 antennas on the roof. And you can see the splitter of the 4 ports on the repeater, and these come to splitters which go to antennas both in the roof, ceiling on this floor, the ceiling of the floor below us, and to some line amplifiers further down this communications shaft. I don't know if you can see this. They're down there in the communications shaft. So you can see that the blue LEDs show the bands where there's communication going on. So this one here, for example, is communication going on in the UMTS band, not in the 1800 or 900 band. And this one over here, there's communication on all 3 bands, and the same here. Here's one of our line amplifiers installed here. So the signal's coming in from further up on the 8th and our 9th floor. And here are the 4 output ports coming to splitters. You can see the amount of cables coming off. And these all go to antennas in the ceiling of the corridor outside here. Okay, so we're at the top of the building here, and we're going to do some speed tests on 3 mobile devices. Okay, so you can test here. Restart test here, and this one here. Okay, here, look at this here. This one's very good. Okay, and we're moving in this one here. And we're over here as well then, so the 3 speed tests are going ahead here quite nicely. Okay, so we're going out onto the rooftop of this building. And so we have 2 outdoor antennas picking up the signal, and we have installed them over here. Over here, you'll see them here. You might notice we have pointed the antennas downwards, and the reason is because there are so many base stations in the area that we have to try and limit the amount of these that the phones can connect to. Otherwise we end up with not such good reception. So we have pointed the antennas downwards to limit their footprint. So we'll go inside now and we'll show you the inside of where we have good coverage, where before we had absolutely no coverage at all. So we're going to do a call test. Cyril is on Bay's 3G, I'm on Bell Proximus 3G. He's going to call me now. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to answer. Hi Cyril, I'm going to walk down here. Walk into this other meeting room. It sounds very good. It's very good. Yeah, I can hear the people behind you. Okay, bye, bye. Robert, there was a click there as it went over to the GSM network. Now it's back on 3G. I'm going to do a speed test here. Now, remember we had no data coverage here at all until our repeater system was put into the hotel. So I'll start the speed test. Begin test. It's a Bell Proximus 3G. Okay, so the download. So this is very important for the clients of this hotel. They can't have meetings in rooms that don't have good mobile phone coverage. And so the hotel had to install the system to get over this problem.